Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy. My channel is Finding Value. Today we're going to do our daily technical analysis update on gold and silver. We're going to get into the dollar, we're going to get into the 10-year yield, and we're going to go into all of the different precious metals and ETFs and individual companies to get a good outlook on the sector. And I'll give you my financial opinion. It's just my opinion. Please don't use it as advice. But let's jump in, and here we go. So this is gold and silver, technical analysis. I'm starting with the dollar and gold. The dollar had a very strong update today, 0.48%. I'm going to throw in a trend line real quick. I think we broke the upward trend. So we did. We did break it kind of late day. And we've got a nice good trend going with gold. Kind of rare to see the dollar go up 0.5% and gold go up 1.76% on the same day. Now, looking at the dollar, remember, we were at 94.31. We're up somewhere in here, and we may try to go after this resistance line, almost like a cup and handle. It's not really a cup and handle because it didn't enter from the bottom up. It came from the top down. But we've got resistance here at 94 something. We'll see what it looks like tomorrow because this is 1 day delayed. But the dollar has been strengthening. It doesn't mean that it's necessarily going to disrupt gold, but it's something to look at. And this is the 10-year yield. The yield broke out of its resistance downtrend line. It's been coming back, and we could perhaps do a retest. And what that does is we break out, we come back and do a retest of the breakout, and then we take off. But that's what the 10-year yield's doing at the moment. Gold. We are right at this, I'll call it the resistance line. I touched this guy here. We've tried to come up above here, and it just seems to sell off every single time. I'm curious to see if we break this tomorrow even, or if we're just going to continue to ride this line a little bit lower. But the mining companies look good, so I'm hopeful for gold to break to the upside here. It's long overdue. We've all been banging our heads against the wall on how long this has taken. But hopefully it's here. Hopefully it's here right now. Let's see what tomorrow brings us. Silver's looking good. We got the downtrend line that's broken. We came back to do like a little retest. We've popped higher today. We're showing strength even in the face of a increasing dollar index. So that one looks good, and platinum looks good. So platinum already broke, silver already broke its downtrend lines. Come on, gold. You got to join us. You got to join us on the dark side. Copper broke out, and it's doing its retest thing right now. It's still doing the small down day retest. I think this will resolve upward eventually. So copper's looking good. GDX, what happened to you, GDX, today? I mean, you came out of the blocks strong as heck, and then you kind of finished weak. But we still have this big bullish engulfing. We still can be positive here. So let's see what happens. We've got the downtrend line. I'll put the downtrend line in here real quick. It broke. And when that breaks, usually that trend's intact until it's not. And it's still intact. Everything looks great to move on up. So get moving, GDX. And SILJ's in the same spot. We had good portions of the day. I was feeling great. Had the highs running, and then it finished, and I was like, what the heck happened? SILJ, don't do that again. EXK, same thing. We were going strong early day. My God. Really strong, and then we finished weak. You don't want to finish weak. No one wants a weak finisher. And Franco-Nevada, weak finisher. And guys, we can come back and fire off tomorrow. This isn't over with. We got this bullish engulfing. There's no huge pattern here yet, signaling that we have a reversal yet. So it's still game on. Sandstorm, nice strong move throughout the day, but kind of finished a little weaker with this wick at the top. But it's still not broken yet. What we have is like a hammer pattern, which has then a wick coming down. The momentum is coming down a little bit, but everything is still intact. Big buying pressure, small selling pressure, no pattern, reversal pattern as of yet. Newmont is still looking okay. Broken downtrend. Barrick Gold, broken downtrend. I don't like these black candlestick days. And with these black candlestick days, I'll show you what that is. All it is it's a candlestick. It looks like this. We'll put a little wick at the top here. And what this is, and then the day before it, oops, I thought I had this. There's the day before it, whatever that day is. And if this is a black candlestick, what this means is the day opened. It opened here. Let's get this a little bit bigger here. It opened here. It traded throughout the day and then came back down. Or sorry, it opened here. The opening price is right here. It came up and then it finished lower, but it was still an up day. So it finished at the bottom here. But the momentum is to the downside because it came up and came back. So it opened here, it closed here, but it was still an up day, and that's what the black candlestick represents. But momentum is heading to the downside. So what it did is we came down, we tried punching higher, but it still came back lower throughout the day. It was an up day, but the momentum's to the downside. So we could see a little bit of a small down day tomorrow or something. And then here's COPX. I just wanted to throw in the index of copper because I like getting copper in here every once in a while. Broke the downtrend, and we're doing that retest of the breakout. So right here is not bad if you guys like copper. But that's what I have for today. I was really excited for this move to the upside. I was like, yes, we're finally getting it. We're finally going to, I was feeling good, seeing all these big up days, and I was like, no, it's slipping out of my hands as it came back and finished a little bit lower. So if you guys like this content, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And thank you for listening. This is Finding Value.